I'm Robin Beasley, one of the direct sales and marketing managers in Alabama, and today we're going to talk about the Legal Defense Endorsement. Many ProAssurance policies, regardless of the state in which they are issued, contain a version of the Legal Defense Endorsement that, generally speaking, provides legal expense and audit expense coverage for an extensive list of what the endorsement defines as covered investigations and covered audits. Many of the covered investigations are of the regulatory variety, like HIPAA and EMTALA, among others. Several other covered investigations relate to Medicare, Medicaid, and the rules and regulations on billing and reimbursements under those programs. If an investigation or proceeding is commenced against you by a federal or state agency charged with the enforcement of those laws, rules, and regulations, your legal defense endorsement may provide coverage for legal expenses and audit expenses you incur in the course of those types of investigations. Some of the remaining covered investigations include disciplinary proceedings like those commenced by your state's licensure commission or board of medical examiners investigating allegations of unprofessional conduct, and disciplinary proceedings commenced by a hospital or its medical staff for the purpose of suspending, modifying, restricting, revoking, non-renewing, or even terminating your staff privileges. So what's the risk in not knowing about your ProAssurance legal defense endorsement or how the coverage works? Well, you might spend money out of your own pocket on legal fees and other expenses that could have been covered by the endorsement, or worse yet, not knowing you have the coverage, you might try to represent yourself in an investigation covered by the endorsement and increase the likelihood of an unfavorable outcome that could possibly have been avoided. Many an unwitting physician has tried to represent him or herself in these types of proceedings only to later regret not enlisting the assistance of legal counsel. Terms and conditions vary from state to state and policy to policy, and there are additional covered investigations in the legal defense endorsement that I haven't touched on here. If you want to read your legal defense endorsement, look for the form titled Professional Legal Defense Coverage Part in your current ProAssurance policy. The endorsement itself is approximately 2.5 pages long. You can always access your policy documents online through the ProAssurance Secure Customer Portal at www.proassurance.com, or you can contact your agent or an authorized ProAssurance representative for more information.